I welcome you all, dear students. We have started a new chapter that is for waves. And in this chapter, we will discuss some of the most important questions and the reasons which are linked with the types of the waves and the wave motion, propagation, and production. We will discuss some of the most important concerned scientific questions which are asked related to the waves. So here it is, define a wave. Write down name of different types of the waves. First of all, we will see what the wave is, because this is the starting of the wave chapter of the wave topics. So we are starting with the wave and types of the waves, and then we will find out the difference between the two types of the waves. So here it is. A wave is a disturbance of some kind that propagates through medium and carry energy. Propagate through the medium and they carry energy. This is the concept of the wave. Basically, this is the disturbance of some kind of energy that travels from one to the medium and carry energy, or the disturbance which spreads out from a source and by which the energy is transferred from one place to another without transporting matter. So this is the concept of the wave. From source, if you look at, you take any type of the pond or the water, you drop a stone and you will see from that center where you have dropped the stone, these are the circular types of the waves which are produced, and these waves moves away from the point where you have drawn a stone. So by this is the concept of the wave. The energy is transferred from source away from the source. So this amount of energy is transferred in the form of the wave. So mainly there are two types of the waves, and then we will find out there are other types of the waves as well. Mechanical waves. These are the types of the waves where some type of material medium is required. We classify waves in the sense of medium, in the sense of propagation. First of all, it is divided in the sense of medium. A type of the wave which needs some amount of medium required for their propagation, that type of the waves are called mechanical waves. The waves produced in water. Other types of the mediums where there is medium, that type of the waves are called mechanical waves. But at the same time, there are other types of the waves as well. For the propagation of that type of the wave, there is no need of any type of the medium. So that type of the propagation, example is light, sun rays, radio, X-rays. These are the spectrum of electromagnetic waves. All types of wave have the same speed, but they are different from properties like energy and other. So these are the types of the wave which do not need any type of material medium. So this is one of the concept of the waves. Then we will study with the passage of time in the next classes. We will go up to detail the types of the mechanical waves and electromagnetic waves, and we will discuss on what the factors their propagation of the speed depend and how their speeds are calculated. So after this, first I have given you the concept of the wave. Then I have given you a light idea of the types of the wave. Then we will discuss the rest in the next classes. I thank you all for your patience.